In the competitive world of gaming, sound is not just about entertainment, it's about gaining the edge. The Gale Hi-Fi gaming earbuds bring together high-fidelity audio engineering and esports-grade performance, offering gamers an immersive and responsive audio experience that rivals bulkier over-ear headsets. Gale earbuds feature a low-profile ear hook design engineered for stability and long-lasting comfort. Unlike heavy headsets that can leave marks or cause overheating, these earbuds are lightweight, discreet, and portable, perfect for extended gaming marathons or on-the-go use. The detachable 0.75mm silver-plated cable adds both durability and flexibility, while the in-ear fit ensures excellent passive noise isolation. Communication is critical in team-based games, and the dual microphone array sets the Gale apart. Instead of relying on a single mic that must be positioned near the mouth, the Gale integrates two omnidirectional condenser microphones, front and rear, for clearer and more accurate voice pickup. The Gale Hi-Fi gaming earbuds strike the perfect balance between immersive hi-fi sound and esports-ready features. They deliver powerful, detailed audio, exceptional microphone performance, and long-lasting comfort, all in a compact and portable package. For gamers who want serious performance without the bulk of traditional gaming headsets, the Gale earbuds are an outstanding choice. And with KZ's proven audio pedigree, they double as excellent everyday earphones for music and media.